If you have a Hyundai key fob that looks just like this, it would be from a Palisade, Venue, Kona, or Santa Fe, then this is how you replace the battery in the key fob. You're only gonna need two things to replace the battery. First thing you're gonna need is a flathead screwdriver, just like that, and you're gonna need the battery itself. The battery I will link in the description box below so you know how much it is and which one it is. First thing you're gonna do is just remove this little piece right here. And the cool thing is you don't even have to take your keys off your keychain. So if this is connected to other keys, that's perfectly fine. So if we look right at the other side right here, you can see there's a little tab, and that tab has an arrow and it says to push the arrow up. So we're gonna push the arrow up with my finger, and then we're gonna pull the key right out. And you can place that key just aside. You're not gonna need to use that right now. If we look inside of this, you can see there's the hole for the key, and then right above that, there's a little flat area that you can put your flathead screwdriver in. So all we're gonna do is just put that flathead screwdriver in there. You're gonna apply pressure a little bit forward to keep it in place, and then you're just gonna twist it, and that's gonna pop up the little key fob right there. So you can see sometimes it takes 2 twists to pop it completely up, and then you're just going to pull that apart. You can place this side down right now, and then you can look right there. You can see the battery is sitting right inside this little door slot thing. So we're gonna just push it right up just from the bottom, and we're gonna just take it right out right there. So we put that aside, and there is our new battery right here. And our new battery, we just put in, and we just push down just like that. And there you go. So your battery is already in place. And then all you do is just grab your battery door again, and you just snap it all back together. Make sure you snap it on all sides and it's completely down. And then you're just gonna grab your key again, and you just put your key right back in the slot, and that's it. You don't have to reprogram it or anything. It's gonna work perfectly fine. It's a very, very simple, easy battery replacement.